Welcome to Tacnode's Product Demonstration video series. In this series, we will use the Tacnode Playground to demonstrate Tacnode's capabilities in a variety of different query scenarios. The Tacnode B&B Playground is essentially an application for vacation home rentals. Users are able to search for their rental property of choice, make reservations, and leave reviews about their stay. Additionally, Tacnode B&B can provide support for hosts, giving them the ability to perform data analyses for better business management. Through the Tacnode Playground, we're able to showcase Tacnode's abilities in everything ranging from simple queries to keyword search, semantic search, as well as data analytics. From the terminal, we can observe the backend processes and see the various queries that are being performed in the background, giving us a more comprehensive, detailed view. In the Tacnode Playground, we will be using the following tables. The listings table, which stores information about each property, like amenities, room types, etc. The bookings table, which stores information about each booking or reservation made on the site, like the date of the booking, the listing, etc. The calendar table records the availability data for each listing, as well as other information, like room rates. The hosts table stores information about the host of each property, like their name, contact information, etc. The users table stores personal information about each user, like their name and contact information. In conjunction, these tables were used to create the Tacnode B&B application. To witness Tacnode's multifaceted capabilities, please visit the individual product demonstrations in this video series.